Well, welcome to Endeavor Solutions' 7-part mini-series on the top 7 tips for a successful digital transformation with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. This series was created as a response to how your organization can take advantage of BC's exponential expansion and continued innovations in AI. Well, this marks the end of our 7-part series. A special thanks to Scott for his contributions and business insight. Now, with that said, let's wrap up with tip number 7. Over to you, Scott.
The seventh tip of our 7 tips for digital transformation with Business Central is embedding analytics throughout your processes. Business Central natively supports quick and affordable Power BI analytics. A number is included for free, and there's also advanced tools with Power BI Pro, as well as an embedded model to allow Power BI to create some advanced analytics, maybe even pulling from Business Central or a SQL Server data mart that's consolidating information from a variety of systems, as well as into the Dataverse with Business Central connected to Dynamics 365 and the Dataverse related to CRM and Power Apps and Power Automate. So what to look for? Look for financial reports, analysis that's performed on behalf of by your team on behalf of the executive or for line of business. Look at the decisions that are made, major decisions, or even minor decisions. A lot of times, smaller decisions on choice of vendors, choice of repeat orders, those can be backed by data. Was there data used to make those decisions? And if data wasn't part of that decision process, how can we get those individuals the data they need? Can that data be embedded on a dashboard? Should it be shared in an automated fashion on a quarterly, monthly, or even daily basis? If you're looking to move from good to great, it requires for you to know what good looks like and what great looks like, and whether the data is trusted. If the data isn't trusted, individuals aren't making the decisions based on timely access to data. Make sure you're capturing the data properly within Business Central. Make sure that the data is synchronized between the systems that may need to have both the data in systems for individuals that may not have direct access to Business Central. If the trusted data isn't there, you have a lot of issues. Make sure your data is trusted, capture it, keep it secure, and then share it within the most logical manners. There's the analysis mode within Business Central. This creates on-demand pivot tables, are fantastic for slicing and dicing information on just about any one of the list-based views within Business Central. Many of these analytics and data turn into future KPIs and objectives and key results that you can push over to dashboards. Dashboards can be embedded within the role-based home screens within Business Central, as well as within other systems. Microsoft Power BI is great for visualizations, and Power BI can be used on mobile and tablet, and for your executive team, potentially not even having access to your CRM or your ERP, just looking at how the operations within your company are working. Business Central has statistical analysis available for cost per employee, cost per shipment, have a number of metrics that are creating statistical numbers, again, as inputs to your KPIs and OKRs. And finally, looking at scenario planning, budgeting automation, financial planning and analysis, there's a variety of third-party tools that can be added to Business Central to further automate your budgeting process, and hence also creating opportunity for business models, modeling, and scenario-based planning. Moving from an annual budgeting cycle to a quarterly or even a monthly budgeting cycle to really just being that much more nimble using data within your organization.
Well, thanks, Scott. What an insightful recommendation. Follow us on LinkedIn for more insights on the ongoing advancements of Business Central, or for the white paper on the top 7 tips for a successful digital transformation and how Endeavor Solutions can help you get more out of your Business Central ERP. Visit endeavorsolutions.ca/7tips. Well, we'll see you there.